Why do we yawn when someone else yawns? Have you ever noticed something strange? Like when someone yawns like this, and suddenly you yawn too. But wait, why does it happen? Is yawning a virus that jumps from one person to another? Oh, not actually. It is called contagious yawning. It means when we see or hear someone yawn, our brain triggers a yawn in us, even if we are not sleepy. But the question is why our brain does like this. So I tell you that scientists are still trying to find the reason that why our brain yawns when someone else yawns. So it's very simple to know that it is called contagious yawning. Amazing but simple, right? Please watch my videos. Bye.